boiler room. Thank you.
$8.29.
Everybody okay?
We're not here.
We're not here.
Oh, you're not here.
Sorry.
Oh, okay.
We're not here.
We're not here.
Good.
It said maintenance boiler room. Your key is maintenance boiler room.
Oh, okay.
Who's the one?
Oh my!
Okay, time. Charlie, yell time.
Okay.
Wait! Time out! Wait! Time out! Wait! Jose! Jose! No! Jose! Hey! Hey! The room! You didn't read the door. The door's fire. Come
Jeff and do it. I am off.
What's going on? We need to get some ID going. We need to get another your license started.
Direct someone to do it. Exactly. Exactly. So tell nobody no more comes in.
Shoe covers and stuff because people are full of contamination. You know, so we need somebody that's so we're not taking all the stuff around, okay? And make sure that this area is clean. You can go steal some from me.
Go, girls, go!
Oh, you're here now. You are taking charge.
I'm an observer, I'm sorry. Otherwise, yes, I'd be happy to.
You need to find someone to set up a deep cleaner.
Okay. You did it right. You would have the key there and you would turn it and shut it.
Yeah, okay. Then I open the thing for ventilation.
This one just comes in.
All right.
But you're the one that handles it. It's okay.
He did call for some litter to smoke the places. And he did ask for the area.
Turn the fan on so we can get more circulation. Good. Okay. Hold on, Bill. Are you dead or you?
I'm burning and my eyes
No,
are so
where's
you
the
guys-
paper? You need to keep the paper in front of you so they can see it.
Oh, nobody said that.
I don't know. here.
Right.
Okay?
So why you
Okay, go call. What you guys are gonna have to do is set up a beacon cam
What about the protection in here for everybody?
Yeah.
right by the front door. As when the code dealer was called, before everything came in here with the code red, it started out wrong. The code red, no one should have walked in here. They seen the door, it said fire, smoke, and hazardous chemical back here. No one ever should have come in
I
here.
didn't see a sign.
Right. You followed everyone in, which is right.
Oh, there was a sign.
Yeah. Now if you go outside the door, there's 6
Someone should
respirator
have been
masks.
standing in front of the door to tell them.
Right. Respiratory masks are right there. Gowns are over there right now, and cover boots. Those are all the personal protective equipment that's required.
There's only 5? There's only 5?
There's 6 of them.
So they should have handed them in as
Yeah.
they came in.
I was going to say, there's only 6 that I told them.
Thing is, the reason the drill was called this way is that we, as maintenance, were all back here doing our preventative. There would not have been anyone by that door if this thing would have blown. So it would have been up to everyone in the hospital staff to figure out not to walk through that door first, because you don't know what's inside this room.
Right.
I mean, some of you, this is probably the first time you've ever been back here.
It is. I didn't even know what I was walking into.
Exactly. So there is a hazardous spill here. It's very toxic. It burns your eyes. It causes severe respiratory arrest. You were right. Turning on the ventilation, getting the ventilation going. I got the magic mask turned off to the 2 boilers.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what we need to do before the patient can be transported to the ER, you've got a decontaminant. So someone needs to call whoever's command center to set up the decon so that we can get the showers. We don't have to set up the showers, we can just simulate them, but someone needs to take control and say, where are you going to set up the showers at?
Let's set up the showers down here.
Right.
Down here, we can set it up. Go here, and they can just run them back into the ER.
And it has to be. Do I have something that says contaminated?
Yeah. It's uncontaminated now. So we hook up the decontamination as they're getting cleaned into and put into the gurneys. They can go back into the emergency
And which way would you take them to the emergency room?
room. I'd probably have to go back that way. Yeah.
Which would be the shortest way?
Out by the door by lab.
Okay. That would be wrong. That door that's going in outside the lab is locked from the outside. It's no longer an entrance.
Alright, and then we'll go through this door.
Okay, so yeah, you would take them through the cafeteria door. Okay, you go through the cafeteria. Okay.
Okay, so we're decontaminating now? Well, I'm still waiting for the gurneys.
Right.
Okay? Let me go check with...
We all got exposed.
Okay.
Good.
You can start
Because
coughing.
Gus is getting
Yeah.
Coughing.
Okay, now what I would do is someone needs to get back on the phone, call the command center, say, and yell
We
on
need
the
to call
phone,
for
we need gurneys.
someone
Boiler
else
room.
to
We need
take care
gurneys
of-
now.
Alright, I'm back there.
Sorry, since we're all
Play act it out. This is your
contaminated,
guys' opportunity to yell at administration.
right?
here, we're gonna start decontaminating you in there. Turn on the water. All right. You know what?
Slide board.
All righty.
We don't, yeah, so we
We
need
got-
a
you know what?
backboard?
Huh?
Need a backboard? We need a backboard.
Is there one over here and all this stuff?
There's one, also one from the emergency room.
Here, use the cable.
Hey Scott, you want to do me a favor? Run in front of that. Oh, look at that table. That's great.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, just grab one. If anybody's starting to feel sick, get out so you guys can get to the front chair.
So everybody goes. He is already decontaminated, so somebody needs to take him.
What about you?
Or have him walk. He can walk.
Yeah, because he can walk.
He can walk. Somebody just has to guide him.
These guys, all these guys can walk, but they're just
Okay, so they're taking one to the ER.
wounded.
I'm afraid. So I'm gonna take him to the ER?
Yes, yes, we are. Really hold it down.
Loopy's over there. He can go. Did anyone ever even see him?
Yeah, I saw him. Oh, we weren't supposed to go over there and get all contaminated, were we?
Yeah, go get him decon. Now the showers are set up.
Yeah, he's a walking wounded. He's a walkie-talkie. This is. I'll say material safety data sheet from the emergency room. Yes.
You guys wash my face, put my glasses.
This doesn't look like there's a disaster going on in here.
They're all sitting on the bed over there. Message form. Exposure, dietary staff, in office of, what is this?
Got one exposure to the dietary staff.
Yeah, so what does that mean to me?
So I guess she wants you to go with
We can't go out there. We cannot go in there. Once we go in there, we're exposed. So somebody else is in charge of this.
They're doing it right now, maintenance. But everybody's exposed to the
Turns it off.
Right, yeah, but-
Pause.
So how's Virgie?
in the front.
What number is she at?
And she's in the incident command center. Okay, I'm gonna go back and then in case you need anything, just say. I want to ring.
What you got there,
There you
Nina?
go. Here's your MSD sheet telling what they were exposed to. Here you go. This is all the exposure.
I did. Maybe. That's how I went.
Better be my size.
Triage. She's triage. Triage. You went triage. You assigned triage.
I'll try to start on my briefing in 2 weeks. I can do it before.
No, distro fast period.
Those will be your side. So you look pretty. There's a chemical spill in the boiler room. It's contaminated. Did you go in? Are you contaminated? Well, you're dead. Find somebody else. You went in.
Both of us are dead. Call George.
Anyway, okay, so you're miracle cured, you've been clean. And I don't know how many people were down there. We don't know what the reason is. You got it? Yeah, it says it's low toxicity.
We have a tie?
These people shouldn't even need it.
Is that why you were the outfit?
You can get up down there.
So he's admitted.
He's seizing now.
Hold on.
Chequeé con la operadora y esa ventana y
This is a labor pool?
Claudia was gonna record.
She was, but
Labor pool, nobody's here. These people, but they're gone.
how many people came?
9.
9 people showed up to the labor pool to sign in?
Yes, 9. And orange sheets have come in and I've asked them to stay, but they said no, that they're busy.
Okay. Have you guys gotten orange sheets from every department?
I don't think so.
Do you have a checkoff list so you can check off which departments are missing?
Okay. We'll do that right now.
Okay. Okay, so that's new information.
And deceased patients was taken to physical therapy, the fifth victim.
Okay. So altogether, initially you said there was 1 death and 4 contaminated. And they're being decontaminated now. However, there's a total of 13 to 14 exposure, including staff. Okay. I just got a report now that the main power is down. So we're gonna have to set up logistic. What about O2? Is the O2 affected? Do we have oxygen in-house?
That would not have affected the oxygen. We really need somebody to kind of write down, you know, what the scenario is. I mean, I just saw the boiler room.
Okay.
It says the main power panel in the boiler room.
Main boiler power, okay, that just knocked out all the air conditioning.
Operations chief, can you
But
please?
we would still have power throughout the rest of the facility from emergency power.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
If that would happen.
Oh, okay.
Now, if they're playing the other role of the game, that something happened to the generator, I'm not aware of it.
Okay, I'll tell you what. I think we're getting a little bit confused here. Why don't we just brief? Why don't all the chiefs sit down, Robin, including you, so that we can just brief the scenario and plan. Okay, so all the other.
Who is Robin? The critical care unit leader?
You understand what? I couldn't find, there's not a logistics box anywhere.
Okay, we're sending you a runner right now. Karen, we're sending a runner to ER. Susan, we're gonna need you back here for a briefing. Right now, because of reason, we'll need
Hi there.
to meet here.
Howdy.
Are you here from Aries?
Yeah,
Okay.
Aries Races, Imperial County Aries Races.
Okay, great. What you got?
I got a 2-meter radio that's
Okay, so
connected
let's
with
go
the
ahead and get
Office of
some
Emergency Service
here.
at
Imperial County Fire Department?
the Imperial County Fire Department. Communication with the command center over there. In case you have no way to communicate with them.
Okay, Linda.
I communicate with them with emergency power and 50 watts of power and an antenna.
Resource director, so we're gonna use the,
Okay,
Relay them messages also.
okay, great. Fine.
there is one dead that's now been taken to the physical therapy department that we're setting up as a morgue. We have 4 patients that were exposed to that incident. They are now in the emergency room, including one, which I suspect is, okay, now, why am I getting this? Isn't this supposed to be, being tallied by the planning chief?
Yes. Sorry, I couldn't read the first person.
Sorry. Okay, so we have five injured victims right now in the ER, and so far, from what I know, ER is okay. The chemical has been identified. It's a Nelco 2838. It's a boiler treatment room. It's a boiler treatment chemical for water.
Do we have a hazmat on that?
The hazmat has been notified. There's a hazmat decontaminations. We have the sheets in the ER, and also pharmacy has it. And
That's not one contaminated victim.
We let him know about it.
how did you know that she was contaminated?
We tagged him.
Yes.
Okay, so let's just do the progress reports right now. It seems like the scene has been secured. Correct, Robin? The area is secured. We have 4 security personnel that came from our security vendor. Did they arrive?
Yes.
And are they patrolling the area?
They're patrolling the ER and securing.
And they are,
the
okay. Now we need to worry about that one contaminated victim. Do they have a pager? How do
Security
they-
staff?
Uh-huh.
Why don't we want to go?
What's the location of the contaminated victim that you identified?
this room. Is he still playing?
Oh, no, I'm sorry, I dismissed him from injury over here.
Okay, never mind.
No?
We tagged him and dismissed him because he didn't go there.
Okay, but
Oh,
clear
okay.
on that.
Okay.
So here's what I know so far. ER is okay from my last report. They're treating 5 at this point. And the boiler room is confined. We have enough people from Manpower, is that correct? Planning chief? If we need something, here's our situation right now.
We need more manpower.
You need,
And
okay,
labor.
have you mobilized
I
each
contacted-
unit secretary to do the recall, to call?
No.
Okay, let's do that.
Okay.
Now here's our situation. Just a second. Here's our,
3 out of the 5 are already out of decontaminant and.
I know, but we have, why don't you sit down?
Okay.
We have a situation right now. The situation is we have no gas, so we need to suspend all elective surgeries. And
Kim is
confine
aware.
us to emergency. Has that been done?
Kim is aware.
Has notification been done? Okay. And we also have, we found out that we don't have any heat. And Charles, we've notified purchasing to contact Angelica to get us more blankets.
Not yet. I can't get a hold of anybody.
Okay, we're gonna do that. Also, we found out that the kitchen can't cook because there's no gas. And so Terry, we're probably gonna request you to help us to get food from outside vendors or sources for our patients.